Hello everyone. So here's how to install PlayStation app, new updated PlayStation app on your iPhone. So just go to App Store, tap on search, tap in the bottom right, search for PlayStation app, tap Get. This video is mainly for new iOS users, and then you need to tap Touch ID or Face ID or just enter your password, and then you can install the app. So yeah, you will need to wait. You can go and read the description and stuff. So it's 45 megabytes size, so you need to have some free storage. And there you have it. This is the PlayStation app. You can connect with friends, discover new games, control your console from anywhere, and some features require PS5 or PS4. And then you can just tap open. And there you have it. This is the new PlayStation app on your iPhone. Hope it was helpful.